Well, here we are on this episode of Endeavor Adventures, and we are in Stonington, Connecticut, tied up to a dock because we've got nasty weather right now. It's coming out of the north and is going to be here for the next day and a half, so we plan on being out of here on Saturday morning. Tonight we're going to be over at the yacht club watching football, and we have our boat secured with double lines because it was predicted to be 30 to 35 knots, and it's actually probably only 25. So actually in the big picture that's not bad at all, but it's been gray and rainy, but we've been comfortable. It's warm inside the boat. We go over the charts and go over the wind maps and make sure when we can get out of here safely, and Saturday morning is going to be that, and we're going to have a 70-mile cruise down to a place called Eaton Head, which is getting down closer to the East River down in New York. So that's what we're doing. That's why I haven't had anything the last couple of days, because there hasn't been anything really. Just waiting out the weather, and that's part of what being on a sailboat is about, is you get to do what the weather allows you to, and keeping yourself safe and out of trouble. That's the best way. So just wanted to give a little look around at what we're doing right now. Just a little update, and yeah, it's nice. We went out and got some wet weather gear, and because we didn't know how much we'd need it, and last night when we were walking the docks to the yacht club, we got a little wet. So anyway, that's what we're up to, staying safe and warm. And looking forward to getting out of here and heading down towards New York. And it's a short update, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.